For the optimal cleaning, care and protection of all pigmented car leather seats, you will need a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, the CORALUX Car Leather Care Set with the CORALUX Cleaner Active Plus, sponge and cloth, distilled water, the CORALUX Care Lotion and cloth, and the CORALUX Strong Protector and cloth. Please shake products before use and test for colour fading on an inconspicuous area of leather. Don't apply products directly onto the leather. First, vacuum the leather thoroughly to remove any loose dirt. We'll now demonstrate the effectiveness of the CORALUX Cleaner Active Plus by cleaning denim jean stains off part of a car seat. Apply a small amount of the cleaner to the sponge, gently squeezing to create lather. Now, wipe the sponge over the leather in a gentle circular motion to remove soiling. Start with those areas showing heavier soiling and stains, such as the seat cushion. Then, work the sponge over the entire section of leather, cleaning from seam to seam. The dye from the denim stain can be clearly seen on the sponge. Rinse the sponge in lukewarm water as required. For heavily soiled areas, repeat the process. You can also let the foam soak in for a short while before wiping it off with the sponge. After cleaning, wipe down the leather with a damp, clean cloth to remove any residual dirt or cleaning product. Use distilled water to dampen the cloth to avoid leaving scale marks. Allow the leather to dry thoroughly. Now it's time for the CORALUX Care Lotion. Apply the lotion to the cloth and rub it into the cloth. Then, using gentle circular motions, apply a thin, even coat of the lotion to the entire section of leather that you've just cleaned. Use a soft, dry cotton cloth to wipe off any excess lotion before it dries. Let the leather dry properly. Now the leather's thoroughly cleaned and optimally moisturised and conditioned. The additional sun protection in the product helps to prevent colour fading. Please wait a day before applying CORALUX Strong Protector to better guard against stains and soiling. Put a small amount of CORALUX Strong Protector onto a lint-free cloth. Rub it into the cloth and then, with gentle circular motions, apply a thin and even coat over the entire section of the leather. Use a soft, clean cotton cloth to remove any excess protector before it dries. Using CORALUX every 6 months keeps your car leather looking newer for longer.